Discover the innovative capabilities of the Treedix USB cable tester board, an outstanding tool designed to simplify the process of assessing USB cables. This versatile apparatus supports a range of connection types including Type-C, Micro, Type-A, and Type-B, allowing comprehensive testing and evaluation. Encased in a durable acrylic shell, this product combines a visually appealing design with added protection for prolonged use. Users can effortlessly test data transmission quality and charging functionality of their USB cables, ensuring optimal performance. The easy-to-understand interface makes the Treedix USB cable tester a practical choice for both tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Elevate your cable management experience with this intuitive and reliable device. Its efficiency and precision ensure it stands out as a valuable addition to any toolkit.